frozen bird?
Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead! You've been snoring all morning, silly. We've already started setting up camp. Come on, Chipstick wants to see you. Professor Chipstick! Sam's awake! I brought him here just like you asked.
Ah, excellent. We can get started as soon as I piece together these strange symbols.
What are they, Professor?
Why, the reason we're here, of course. We've been exploring the Lost Jungle for almost 2 weeks now, with no sign of the hidden temple. Legend says it shall only appear to those who are truly worthy, and these symbols are a vital clue. I'll continue to study them while you both search the depths of the forest.
Do we have to walk?
Of course you don't have to walk. Of all the adventures we've been on, have I ever left you without one of my cool inventions or vehicles? It's time to get the motorcycle fueled up for a drive. Explore the campsite. One of the campers should have the keys to the motorcycle. When you're ready, see me at the end of the airfield.
Hey, Sam. Oh, yeah. Here are the keys to the motorcycle.
Oh, I love getting to see the Chipstick motorcycle in action. Hop in and try not to crash.
Is it too late to mention I'm not the biggest fan of the motorcycle? Nice work, Sam. You go ahead while I, keep guard. I mean, who knows what's in there, right? Booby traps, living corpses, the end of the world. You're right. I'm probably just being overdramatic. What on earth do you think you're doing? You've just destroyed the whole world! You've doomed us all! We need to leave! Now! So you activated a booby trap, triggering the end of the world. I think now's a good time to say I told you so. Did you even find any treasure? What do you mean it disappeared? Well, at least there are no living... Never mind. We can talk later. We made it. We're alive. Wow. Good job back there, Sam. This day just keeps getting weirder and weirder. Was that a spaceship? I'm just going to be quiet. Wait, Sam? What is this floating thing? I'm Orby, Great job, guys! Place them on the spaceships where you can see the arrows at the tail. Hey, not too bad. Are you sure you're not rocket scientists? Hop in and let's set off, guys. We have a world to save. The thing still won't power on, though. Let me see if I can do something about that. Orby, I'm not sure what you just did, but I think it's working. Power at maximum capacity. Jet fuel burning. Engine power lines illuminated. Activating thrusters. Preparing booster sequence. Do you want to do the honors, Sam?